Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you 5 steps to create Node.js APIs. Let's start with that one. If you have a requirement like create a user, create an item, create a product or any such entity, I'm going to show you how to create those entity using a Node.js environment. And today's tech stack will be a Node.js environment with the MySQL database, and also we are testing APIs and also maintaining API documentation in Swagger tool. Yeah, when you get the requirement, you have to get the attributes to create a table. Like basic attributes let's take example of a user. You need a basic attributes like name, email ID, phone number, like that. I'm taking example of a dealer. I will show you how the table looks like. This is the name, mobile number, email, and other attributes you can add here. And also you should not forget about the technical attributes like this created at, updated at. These are the timestamps when you created the data or when you updated the data, and also created by and updated by. These are the user ID from whom that particular data is created. And also you need a is active flag. When someone asked you to delete a particular record, you should not completely destroy the record. You may require that data in future. So we can make this is active flag as a false. Then that particular record will be disabled. And today I am showing you the 4 operation like create API, read API, update API, and also delete API. Let's go with the add dealer. This is the JSON I want to create. I will give a name as Megha. Owner name I will give Megha at gmail.com, and adding 0. And okay, this is my data, and I'm executing this one. You can see the response here. Response body, its code is 201. 201 means created. Status is success, and the data contains what are the data added here. Yeah, let's validate whether this particular mail ID is valid or not. Now I'm giving like some bad convention. I will give something like this. It should reject this data because email ID is not valid one. You can see here. I'm executing this one. It's showing 400 bad request. Email is not valid. How to validate this email ID? I'm coming to the code. Here I maintained another folder helpers, helper.js. I have function like validate email. Here, this is the string. This is a regex actually. You can consider as a string. This is a string. It is validating whether the particular string is the email or not. When you come here, your pass dealer. This is a create dealer function. Here I'm coming validate email. I'm giving the email ID here. It is going to that particular helper and going to the helper.js, and it is checking the particular email ID is in the correct format or not. If it is there, it will add the data. Otherwise, it will reject the data. Same thing we can do for a dealer address also. Like dealer have dealer address, can have dealer address. This is in a different table. You can come here. You can see here like dealer address. I'm intending different table. I'm adding a dealer ID here. Check like from whom this dealer address is belongs to. Like other address type, address I have, everything I have. Let's come to add address here. Here I'm going to add a address, dealer address. I'm going to add some test address. It will take this address. You can see here that dealer address is added for that particular dealer ID. And now I will give some random, some special characters and these things, number. Now I try to add a dealer address. It shows address is not valid. Here also I am validating the address field. You can see here in the helper I am doing validate address from dealer address. This is a create dealer function, dealer address function. Here I am sending the address. It is going to the helper JS. Then it is validating the address. This is the string which will check for any special character is there in the address or not. If it is there, it will reject the address. If it is in a string format, proper string format, it will accept that address. Same way we have for update, delete, every APIs we have here. The complete code will be there in GitHub, and that link will be available in the Code Walnut website. You can go and check there. And also you can contact me with my mail ID, and my mail address is amruta@codewalnut.com.